Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, it's time for me to change my FREESTYLE LIBRE 2 sensor. I have it here, and I put the black patch on it, and I had cut it because I didn't like that big old ignorant black patch. It was too big. It's about this big around. So I'm going to show y'all how to take this off. First I have to loosen the adhesive. Around the patch. Then I have to loosen the adhesive on the sensor itself. There's some birthmark mold. So it's really stuck. And I'm just going to pull it straight out. Okay, make sure that's loose. I tried to put the edge of my fingernail under the edge of this sensor patch. And pull it. It doesn't hurt at all. And this is the filament. It's flexible, so it's not going to hurt going in or coming out. Y'all can see well, it's been stuck on me for 2 weeks, 14 days. I'm going to clean that. The alcohol pad. Gotta clean that glue off. I'm going to put the sensor in another location. I still feel glue. Well, anyway, I'll get that later. So that's how that spot looks after taking that off. Okay, now. You say you're supposed to put it on the back of your arm. I've never done that. I prefer to keep doing this arm. So maybe I'll put it back here. They say don't put it over a mold, don't put it over a birthmark, don't put it over a tattoo or a scar. Just regular skin. I'm going to stick it there. So I'm going to clean this. I'm already clean. I've had a shower. So that's why I'll be sticking it. So that's close to the back of my arm. So I'll open up a new package. Oh, this is what the box looks like. FREESTYLE LIBRE 2. See that? They also make a FREESTYLE LIBRE 3, and it's smaller. The sensor is smaller than what I just took off. And you have to use your iPhone to get your readings, as opposed to being able to use your iPhone or the reader that you can buy. So I bought this separately. Had to have a prescription for it. And you have to have a prescription for this too. So this is what just came out the box. You're supposed to, before you do anything, you're supposed to look at the serial numbers on here, make sure they match up. So this will work. So there's numbers on here. There's some numbers. And here's numbers. They're supposed to match. They do. Okay. So I'm going to peel this off. Everything is sealed up, nice and sterile. I'm peeling this off. I'm not touching nothing in it. Then I have to unscrew this. This is how that is. Supposed to hear it crack. Okay, put this aside. Now, this has a line right here at the top, and this has a line right there. Supposed to match up them lines. That's that matched up. And then snap it straight down. Like that. Okay, so the sensor is up in here. Okay, now I got to put it on the back of my arm. It's always been easier to put it on the front. I don't know where I cleaned. And these come with alcohol pads. Okay, I'm gonna clean it again. Back here somewhere. Little boy, who told you to come in here? I'm trying to film. Okay. I guess that's the spot. Go to your mama. Bye. I'm busy. Move. Okay. I want y'all to look at my expression when I put it on here. I have to mash it straight down. Amber and the baby looking at me. Is this why I even cleaned? I have to mash so hard for it to come out. I want you to see my face. It ain't, there you go. Okay. It's on there. It don't hurt at all, y'all. Believe me. Okay, so now that's about as back of my arm as it's gonna get. Ain't that the back? No. Yeah. Well, okay. I always cover mine up. So I bought another colored patch. I bought the brown patch. I got the tan one, supposed to be flesh colored. They're not my flesh color. I got some black ones, and I found some brown ones. Okay. And this is the Skin Grip Company. Looks like that. They sell some with the opening, the center part that's open, and it has the adhesive all around, or this one is closed. I prefer the closed one, because I don't want this big old white thing to be showing on my arm. So, it looks like this. This is colored chocolate. They come in all different colors. You can get red, blue, yellow, purple, all colors. I chose chocolate. So, and this is the way it is. You could peel off the things. They got peel away things on the adhesive, and then you can choose to leave the center part covered with that paper, or you can have adhesive on your sensor. I choose not to have the adhesive on my sensor. So, hey sweetie, you want to be in the picture? In the video? Come on, you fatso. Hey, there you go messing with my hair. Okay. All right, bye. Say hi to the honey. Say hi. Hi. Yay. You showing all them teeth. Yay. Okay, bye. Sweetie pie. Bye. Go away. Go away. Okay, I'm going to put this on. That's what I was doing. I'm peeling off a couple sides at a time. Bless you. Leave my stuff alone. It's kind of hard to reach this. Mash that down, and I pull off the rest of the white paper. Yeah, see, this is difficult for me. I'm gonna have somebody pull this white paper off. But anyway, that's the way it's gonna look. Okay, so now I have to, since I took that off, I have to start a new sensor. Just follow directions on what it says on here. So it's a touch screen. Start new sensor. So I have to scan this sensor to start it. Did y'all hear that? Okay. Sensor can be used in 60 minutes. So it's ready. In an hour it'll be ready. Okay. Turn it off. So, excuse me. I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'm putting all this garbage up back in this box, along with my old sensor that I took off. Throw this mess away. Okay. So y'all be blessed. Bye. And I'm not so self-conscious about wearing it with a chocolate thing on. Okay. Bye. I need a thumbnail. You know it ain't stuck down. Okay.